Everyone dreams of attracting wealth, but it often feels like an impossible goal. What if I told you that building wealth is less about luck and more about having the right mindset and habits? Today I'll share 13 powerful ways to shift your mindset, develop wealth-attracting habits, and start creating a foundation for financial abundance. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve, these steps can help you attract wealth into your life. Cultivate a positive money mindset. Your relationship with money often determines how well you handle it. Negative beliefs like money is the root of all evil or wealth is only for the lucky can hold you back from success. Begin by acknowledging any negative money beliefs you have. Replace them with positive affirmations like, I am capable of creating wealth, or money is a tool for freedom and opportunity. Spend a few minutes each day reading or writing down affirmations that focus on financial abundance, helping to shift your subconscious beliefs about money. Set clear financial goals. Setting specific, measurable goals gives you a target to work toward, making it easier to plan and stay motivated. Without clear goals, it's easy to get off track. Identify what you want to achieve financially in the short and long term. Write down specific goals like save $5,000 in 6 months or build an emergency fund equal to 3 months of expenses. Break each goal into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, saving $5,000 in 6 months could mean saving $834 each month. Practice gratitude for what you already have. Focusing on gratitude can actually help you attract more wealth. When you're grateful for what you have, it opens up a positive mental space that encourages more abundance. Start a daily gratitude journal where you list 3 things you're grateful for, especially if they relate to your financial life, like a stable job or supportive relationships. At the end of each day, reflect on what went well financially, whether it's a small discount, unexpected gift, or a successful day at work. This helps you stay appreciative and open to receiving more. Develop a habit of consistent saving. Saving consistently is a fundamental step toward wealth. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time through the power of compound interest. Automate your savings to make it easier. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each payday. Even if it's just $50 per paycheck, the consistency adds up. Over time, you'll build a strong savings habit and feel more secure about your financial future. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on one source of income can be risky. Creating multiple streams of income not only boosts your wealth but also provides stability if one source dries up. Look for side hustles, freelance work, or passive income streams that align with your skills and interests. For example, if you have a knack for design, consider offering freelance graphic design services. Start small, try freelancing, investing in stocks, or exploring rental income. Over time, you'll have several sources of income contributing to your financial growth. Surround yourself with wealth-minded people. The people around you influence your mindset and habits. Being around people who have a positive relationship with money and wealth can inspire and motivate you to do the same. Connect with people who share similar financial goals, either by joining online communities, attending networking events, or joining personal finance groups. Try connecting with people on LinkedIn or joining Facebook groups focused on investing, budgeting, or financial freedom. You'll gain insights, tips, and inspiration from people who are also working to attract wealth. Learn continuously about personal finance. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions and attract wealth. Commit to learning something new about personal finance every week. This could be through books, podcasts, YouTube videos, or online courses. Start with accessible resources like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, or finance podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show. This keeps you informed and motivates you to apply new ideas. Visualize your financial success. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation. When you can clearly picture your financial success, it becomes easier to make choices that align with that vision. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial goals as if they're already achieved. Picture the lifestyle you'll live, the security you'll feel, and the freedom wealth can provide. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your financial goals, such as a debt-free life, a dream vacation, or a comfortable retirement. Keep it where you can see it daily for inspiration. Manage debt wisely. Debt can be a major barrier to wealth if not managed carefully. Paying off high-interest debt quickly can free up resources for savings and investments. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, like credit card debt, to reduce your financial burden. Use strategies like the avalanche or snowball method to make steady progress. By prioritizing one debt at a time, you can systematically reduce your debt and increase your cash flow, which can then be used for savings or investments. Invest in yourself. Investing in personal growth and skills is one of the best ways to attract wealth. The more you grow and develop, the more valuable you become in the job market or in entrepreneurial ventures. Take courses, attend workshops, or seek mentorship in areas that align with your career or business goals. Consider areas like leadership, negotiation, or technical skills that can boost your income potential. If you're interested in digital marketing, take a certification course. The skills you gain can increase your earning potential and open doors to higher-paying opportunities. Track your spending and adjust regularly. To attract wealth, you need to be in control of where your money is going. Tracking spending helps you identify areas where you can save and invest more effectively. Use budgeting apps or keep a spending journal to record every expense. Review your spending at the end of each week or month, looking for patterns and areas for improvement. Let's say you notice you're spending $100 a month on dining out. Consider cooking at home more often and saving that money instead. Small adjustments can make a big difference over time. Practice patience and long-term thinking. Wealth building is a long game. Practicing patience and focusing on the long term will help you stay committed, even if results aren't immediate. Remind yourself of your goals regularly, and avoid comparing your journey to others. Remember that wealth isn't built overnight, and consistent, steady progress will pay off. Think of wealth like planting a tree. It might take years to grow, but with consistent care it becomes strong and provides shade and fruit. Staying committed, even if results are slow, will ensure you reach your financial goals. Give generously when possible. Many successful people believe in the power of giving. Generosity can create a positive cycle of abundance, helping you attract wealth by fostering goodwill and abundance in your life. Set aside a small amount of money or time each month to give to others, whether through donations, volunteering, or helping someone in need. You might donate to a cause you care about, or volunteer to help someone with budgeting skills. Giving back fosters a mindset of abundance and can help you appreciate what you have while attracting more positivity. Wealth attraction starts from within. It's about cultivating the right habits, setting strong goals, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Each of these steps can bring you closer to a financially secure future, but it's up to you to take that first step. Start small, build momentum, and soon enough, you'll see that attracting wealth isn't just about luck. It's about intentional actions and a growth mindset. Let's make today the day you start attracting wealth into your life.